वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने कवर किया पास्कल्स ट्रायंगल। आज उसी के कंटिन्यूएशन में वी विल स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। x प्लस वाई पावर 6 का एक्सप्रेशन आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है। आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ईच एंड एवरी कोएफिशिएंट इन अ वर्टिकल मैनर लाइक 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6 and 1. And I am going to provide each and every coefficient a very new notation. The notation is like 6C0, 6C1, 6C2, 6C3, 6C4, 6C5, and finally 6C6. This notation is like NCR, where N is a fixed value and that value is power. Like in this case, x plus y power 6. So value of n is equal to 6. But here r varies from 0 to 6. So above expansion can also be written like this: 6C0 x power 6 y power 0 plus 6C1 x power 5 y power 1 plus 6C2 x power 4 y power 2 plus 6C3 x power 3 y power 3 plus 6C4 x power 2 y power plus 6C5 x y power 5 plus 6C6 x power 0 y power 6. And this is called as a binomial theorem. We can expand x plus y power n in this manner, and this series is again called as binomial series. Binomial series. For a better understanding, let's expand x plus y power 5, which is equal to 5c0 x power 5 y power 0 plus 5c1 x power 4 y power 1 plus 5c2 x power 3 y power 2 plus 5c3 x power 2 y power 3 plus 5c4 x power 1 y power 4 plus 5c5 x power 0 y power 5. Now if you observe carefully, each and every term in this expansion is like 5cr x and y. Y is having power r. देखो, अगर r की वैल्यू 0 है then y is having power 0. r is equal to 1 then y is also having power 1. r is equal to 2, y is having power 2. And x is just a difference of this 5 and this r. So can we say 5x power 5 minus r? This term is called as a general term. General term. In any binomial expansion, the general term is denoted by capital T, which is equal to NCR. जैसे यहाँ पर power 5 था, we are taking for any power n, so NCR x and y. Y is always having power r. यहाँ पर NCR है, तो y is also having power r, and x is just a difference of n and r. Now after this, let's give each and every term a position. 5c0 x power 5 y power 0. Can I say this is the first position? 5c1 x power 4 y power 1. Our second position 5c2 x power 3 y power 2. Our third position. अब देखोगे the first position is 5c0. So can I say 0 plus 1 position? The second position is 5c1 x power 4 y power 1. So can I say 1 plus 1 position? Basically, the general term is denoted by capital T, R plus 1. If R is 0, it will be called as 0 plus 1 first position. If R is 2, the term is denoted as T2 plus 1, that is third position. If R is 5, we will say T5 plus 1, that is sixth position. And this is called a general term in any binomial expansion. General term in x plus y power n. Once again after this, I am going to say this x as first element. I am going to represent this x as first element, the first element, and plus y. Plus y is called as second element. इसके बाद जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हम आगे करने वाले हैं, we will represent like this only. X we will say the first element, plus y we will say the second element. Let me give you one more example. If I have to expand x minus y power n, यहाँ पर x I will represent, I will say x as first element, and I will say minus y as second element. We will consider each and every part like this only. Let me give you one more. Suppose if you have been asked to expand 5x minus 7 by x cube power 4. You will say the first element is 5x, and again you will consider minus 7 upon x cube minus 7 upon x cube as second element. So we will write general term of any expansion as term r plus 1, t r plus 1 is equal to ncr multiply first element multiply second element. Second element is always having power r, and first element is having a power which is a difference of n and r, n minus r. That's it. आपको ये जनरल टर्म का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ, हाउ टू राइट अ जनरल टर्म? देन इसके बाद वाले कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको ईजिली समझ में आने वाले हैं. We will do more questions based on this in our next session.